Alright, how does the leads section work in Zoho CRM? Everything we see on the left, which looks like a lot, are just filters we can use to narrow down our search. You should think of leads as a list of all potential customers. So we'll have many people here, and as we progress through various stages like moving a lead to contact or deal, setting tasks, meetings, calls, or selling, with each step we'll have fewer people. But this is where we start with the most. That's why they give us this filter section, which we can hide if it's distracting. It also lets us choose which leads to view, like all leads or just mine, for example. Today's leads, unread ones, unsubscribed ones, and so on. Clearly, we should automate lead generation so they sign up directly without manual creation. We can achieve this through app integration. Here's how with Zoho App. Form can funnel leads straight into our CRM and others. We won't train on this as methods vary. Everyone has their approach, but we'll learn lead interaction basics. Let's click Create Lead. As you see, I'm set as the owner here. For the first name, let's enter test. We'll use test for the email too. Here's where we'd add a number if needed. I suggest asking for less data, it's better. Only request essentials like an email and name. Of course, this depends on your specific need. You might need phone numbers or other contact info, but generally, the more optimized or less data you ask for, the better. Here we have the web interface showing the lead's status. In this case, the status is that we're going to contact them. We haven't contacted them yet, but we're planning to. And this is the cool part, the lead status. This is what we're going to do with this person. Here we have company, last name, and other details. We could even add potential future revenue and other info here. Not sure if it'll let me, but let's try. We'll put this and that. Here's the lead. It's a lead I just created for educational purposes. As you can see inside the lead itself, we now have this lead and we can open the lead. In the lead, we can add notes for info or for colleagues to see. We can add an activity, for example, a call. Schedule a call when we'd like to speak with him. We should integrate Zoho CRM with the calendar. That's how we'd schedule calls with our most promising lead. That's how the lead matching process works. Finally, you can select a lead and choose an action. For example, delete it or create a task. It's the same interface used in different ways. You can even send them an email, add a tag to distinguish it from other leads. If interested in product X, we'd add that product's tag.